Why does granite come in so many colors? Dear friends, granite is an intrusive igneous rock with large grains, minerals you can easily see. An intrusive rock is one where molten rock cooled in the Earth's crust and was never released as molten rock. When the molten rock is cooled gradually, it creates the large crystals of one mineral you see in granite. When this process occurs over a long period, it allows minerals to form at different times than one another, which causes the final look of the granite. If you're wondering how many different granite colors there are, granite usually comes in white, pink, blue, variations of black and gray, and occasionally green. Sometimes, stones are called black granite, but they are actually gabbro. To qualify as granite, a stone must have at least 20% quartz. Why are granite different colors? At some point, you might have asked yourself, how does granite get its color? Granite comes in such a variety of colors because of its composition. It is made up of several minerals, including quartz, milky white, feldspar, white, potassium feldspar, pink, biotite, black or brown, muscovite, yellow, and amphibole, black or dark green. Depending on the amount of each mineral in the piece of granite and the rate at which it was formed, it will be a slightly different color. For instance, if the piece of granite has a lot of potassium feldspar, it will look pinker, while a lot of muscovite would make it appear green. Each piece of granite will be primarily made of quartz and feldspar, which make up between 20% and 60% of the minerals in the stone. The rest of the rock will be made of a combination of the other minerals, which will determine how durable it is and its color. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.